Listen, I don't know if you guys know what cicadas sound like, but I'm gonna be quiet and let you listen. Listen to this sound. If you can hear it. Y'all hear that? That's a multitude of cicadas. That's what they sound like. It sounds like they're coming from far off in the back corner over here in my subdivision. They are so loud. They've been sounding like that for days now. I've had a few to fly over here on my porch, and for some reason, as soon as they land, they drop dead. They've been landing, dropping dead. Let me see if I can turn the camera around. Let me see. Y'all can see those? I literally watched one land on the table, flip over on his back, and was dead. So wherever they are, and as many as it sound like there are, they can stay where they are, because they come over here, they gonna just drop dead. But listen at that. Those are bugs. That's crazy.